Ready to finally launch your YouTube channel? This checklist is made for beginners who want to get it right the first time. We're walking through 5 key steps to start your channel with confidence. Whether you're staying behind the scenes or showing up on camera, these steps will help you show up like you've done this before. Let's get into it. Step 1 is where you build your foundation. Create a Google account if you don't already have one. That unlocks YouTube Studio. Choose a name and handle that are short, easy to search, and aligned with your brand. Then, set your brand vibe early. Think about the energy, style, and visuals you want to be known for. Quick tip: your handle is part of your identity, so make it memorable and mission-aligned. Mine is Elevate Me to You. What will yours say about you? Step 2. Customize your branding. It's time to make your channel look and feel like you. First up, upload your logo and banner. Use Canva to design a YouTube banner and profile image that match your brand colors and energy. Your visuals should feel like your vibe. Next, add a channel description. Let new visitors know what your channel is about, who it's for, and what they'll get when they subscribe. And if you want bonus points, use keywords that describe your niche. It helps your channel show up in searches. Finally, set up your links. Add your Instagram, website, or a freebie opt-in right at the top of your channel. That way, fans can follow you on other platforms too, with zero effort. And here's your pro tip box. Search YouTube channel art in Canva to find free templates and create a branded banner in minutes. No design stress, just pick, customize, and upload. Let's keep that momentum going. You're doing amazing. Next slide is all about preparing your first upload. Step 3. It's time to plan your very first video. And here's the secret: clarity always beats perfection. Start by choosing one clear, beginner-friendly idea. Don't overthink it. Go simple, go helpful. Next, jot down a quick script or outline. You don't need a teleprompter, just a plan that keeps you on track. Then pick your format. Want to show your face? Prefer to go faceless? Or maybe just record your slides? Whatever feels right, go with it. Light bulb pro tip: don't wait for perfect. Just start, the polish comes with practice. Step 4. Create and upload with confidence. This is where your planning meets action. Start with a title that's clear, clickable, and tells viewers exactly what they'll get. Then design a bold, eye-catching thumbnail. Canva or YouTube Studio makes this easy. Next up, tags and description. Use simple keywords that match your message and help new people find you. Keep your tone authentic, informative, and beginner-friendly. Schedule or publish when ready. Now, time to hit upload. You can post right away, or schedule it when your audience is most active. And here's a smart bonus: batch your uploads in advance to save time later. Pro tip: upload it as unlisted first. That way, you can test how it looks, feels, and sounds before going public. You've got this. Let's keep building. Step 5. Promote and pin it. You've uploaded. Now it's time to share it with the world. Post your video across your socials: IG, TikTok, and in your stories. Pull out a key moment, drop a quote, or tease a tip to get people curious. Pin it for visibility. Next, pin your post so new visitors land on your best work right away. And don't be shy, ask for feedback in the comments. Questions spark replies, and replies spark growth. This is just the beginning, but you're already building momentum. Keep sharing, keep showing up, and keep elevating. Let's keep this momentum going. First, save this post so you don't lose it. You'll want this checklist when you're ready to hit record. Second, follow at Elevate Me to You for the full series. I'm dropping every step so you never have to figure it out alone. And if you're serious about starting strong, DM the word checklist to grab your free workbook and cheat sheet. You're not behind, you're building. Let's go. Don't forget to save this checklist and follow Elevate Me to You for the full step-by-step series. We're just getting started, so if you're ready to build, grow, and show up with confidence, you're in the right place. Let's do this together.